In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of viewing and reading Maildir mails using the BitRecover free Maildir viewer. To install the BitRecover free Maildir viewer, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This tool provides users with select folder or select file options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder containing the Maildir mails you want to view. Then, click the OK button. A panel showing the entire structure of Maildir Mail will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Our tool has a section that shows if an email contains attachments. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the preview section. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.